In this video, I will try to point out and demonstrate some of the key benefits of both the solid-state generator, the PTS-1, as well as the PrecisePower software, so you can see them firsthand. The first benefit I am going to demonstrate is significant. In your home microwave you have what is called a multimode chamber. Because of this, the microwaves are bouncing around in a random pattern and you get constructive and destructive interference. These are often referred to as hot and cold spots. One way almost all home microwaves try to solve this problem is by rotating your food. This rotation does help significantly but not fully. Most of us have probably experienced this with something in the microwave heating unevenly. Solid-state technology offers another solution which can be used in tandem with rotating or moving the material. Frequency sweeping. If you can change your frequency, these hot and cold spots will now also move. This is because the distance of the wavelength changes with frequency. A magnetron cannot do this, it is a fixed frequency generator. However, a solid-state generator can. This is huge. By rapidly sweeping or jumping to random frequencies, the hot and cold spots inside the oven move around and you get an overall averaging of the microwave energy in 3 dimensions. To do this on the PTS-1, we will first click on the basic sweep mode. We can then adjust the start and stop frequency using these vertical cursors by dragging them to the desired spot. The power you want to apply can be set the same way. Here we will drag the cursor to 494 watts. These parameters are also settable in the upper left-hand corner by typing them in. Now that we have our settings entered, we will click the RF on button. You can see an indicator shows that the RF is now on and sweeping. The amount of power being delivered to your load will be graphed after each successive sweep. This is displayed as return loss. For this particular test we have a very flat return loss around 10 dB, which indicates roughly 90% of our power is being delivered and 10% is being reflected. On a spectrum analyzer, you can see the power level is maintained but the frequency is rapidly sweeping across the band. Thanks for watching. Please contact us for more information.